This recipe for fish en papillote is an old favorite and I'm going to share it with you while I make my lunch. This is one fillet of basa fish that I've got here. I'm just going to season it with some sea salt and some pepper. So the basa has been seasoned. I've got 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil and I'm adding some fresh lemon juice, about a tablespoon. Just 1/4 teaspoon of some thyme. I'm adding about 1/4 teaspoon chili flakes. And now for a little bit of pepper and salt to season. Just stir that dressing together. I still have one more ingredient to add to that, and that's freshly chopped dill. So I'm going to add a bunch of the freshly chopped up dill to the dressing. Now I'm going to get going with the veggies. I've got a zucchini here. I'm going to use only about half of it. Just cut that up into half. And just cut it into half moons. Just add that to a bowl. I've sliced up a small carrot. Now I'm just going to add 1 small potato that I've peeled and sliced up. Add most of the dressing. You can also use your hands to toss the veggies with the dressing. I think that's good to go. So here I've got parchment paper. And now I'm going to start the layering. The first layer will be of leeks. And top that up with the veggies. Just spread that out. Now for the fish. Drizzle on the rest of the dressing and sprinkle on the remaining dill. Now I'm going to seal this. Just cover that up. It's actually very simple. Fold and seal. And parchment paper really is the best thing to cook this in, because you don't need to grease the paper or do anything to it. It's just so low maintenance. You've got the time. The oven's still preheating. Okay, the oven's done preheating and I'm going to put this in for about 15 to 17 minutes. So you know it's ready when it's puffed up a bit. And there's hot steam inside this, so you just have to be careful when you cut this open. Paper's a little hot too. And it looks so good. The vegetables have cooked through, the fish is nice and tender, cooked just right. And it's really a meal all in itself. I really don't need anything else with it. But I've got to be a little careful because there are hot juices floating around. And quickly into the plate. Doesn't that look good? I'm going to eat this now, but if you like this recipe, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and leave a comment here once you've tried this recipe at home.